And well, another company management that we are talking to, it's the Wadia-owned Bombay Dyeing that is betting big on real estate as the next driver for the group. Jeh Wadia is leading the newly formed Bombay Realty, which will monetize the group's massive land bank in Mumbai. In an exclusive interview with Bloomberg UTV, Wadia outlined the company's real estate plans.
Bombay Realty will act as a developer under a joint development agreement. There are various ways of forming a partnership. They'll all be arm's length, and essentially Bombay Realty will be the development arm of the group, monetizing in terms of the respective group companies' assets. We have no plans of any demerger. At the moment, Bombay Dyeing is the parent company of Bombay Realty, and it's listed and it's a traded company. Today, the total Wadia Group's land bank consists of more than 10,000 acres in India. We have 700 odd acres in Bombay itself, and we have 70 acres in the island city. And when I say island city, I mean specifically in the center of South Bombay. So ultimately, Bombay Reality's focus was to monetize these parcels of land. We have 700 acres in what we call the mainland of Bombay, which is ranging from Malad all the way up to Thana, where we have another 100 acres. In the island city of Bombay itself, we have 70 acres. One, as I said, 45 acres in Dadar and the other 25 acres in Wali. Both these two developments is the focus of Bombay Realty over the next 8 to 10 months. Specifically to do with the island city, my view on the market is that the last time I checked, they weren't manufacturing land in the island city. And as a result, the properties in the island city will always be going at a premium. May it be office, may it be residential, may it be retail, they will always be going at a premium. You will see short-term corrections, you will see short-term in terms of slowdowns, but when it comes to the island city of Bombay, which is between Gateway of India and Mahim Creek, I do not foresee any in terms of real corrections or any issues to do with basically pressure on lower yields.
All right. We'll catch the complete interview with Jeh Wadia, MD of Bombay Realty, all day on Bloomberg UTV. And it's interesting, right? Because it's not just Bombay Dyeing that we're talking about. A number of these textile firms are betting big on their land bank on back of the dwindling revenues coming in from textiles. I mean, I was just reading up, last quarter, only 1/3 of Bombay Dyeing's revenues have come in from the textile business.
Yeah, Bombay Dyeing is now a realty company. Yeah. You know, you can say it. Textile is quite clearly gone. You know, Samina, this particular space has seen a lot of action. Arvind Mills has made multi-year highs. Bombay Dyeing has now seen this kind of action, and really the reason for that is the kind of land bank some of these companies are owning. Bombay Dyeing in particular has some of the prime land, and as Jeh Wadia was saying rightly, you know, you may talk about land prices being too high, you may talk about real estate being overvalued, but the fact is that in a city like Mumbai, where especially the kind of land that they hold, there's absolutely no reason that prices would fall, because at the end of the day there's that much supply. It's an island city, you can't have more supply than that. So in that particular region, they'll continue to enjoy good pricing, and that's the reason the stock has been re-rated. If you see the 6-month chart of Bombay Dyeing, I think it was 290 or so 6 months back, and from there on it's gone up to 395 in an environment where the market has actually fallen about 20%. And what's also interesting is that in an environment where some of the other listed real estate stocks haven't really done well. So it's essentially the company which has land bank at the kind of areas where the market believes the rates are going to remain firm. So that's the reason you have seen a big re-rating in Bombay Dyeing. And in fact, that's a big exclusive that we've got, and you're going to hear all day from Jeh Wadia about the group's plan with real estate. So that's something that we'll have to stay tuned for the rest of the day.
Right, so be it the Piramas, the Tatas, the Godrej or the Wadias, it seems like everybody right now seems to be betting big on these land parcels that they own. And of course, remember, the price of acquisition of this land has been dirt cheap as it was acquired in the 1800s and the 1900s. So that's the kind of big bets that you're seeing going on with these textile majors. We'll slip in a quick commercial break, but coming up,